So I purchased one of these Sonoff Minis. Recently it came out, and I just thought I'd do a quick wiring jig and show you how it works. Works on the rocker switch, and then if I get my phone sorted out, I paired it up to my network, and so yeah, if I hit the test button, you'll see the light turns on, light turns off, light turns on, and I can still turn it off with the switch. And if it's on, you'll notice that with my phone, I turn it off and on, you'll see it goes on and off on the actual app. On, off, on, off. So yeah, unfortunately obviously the switch will stay in one spot whichever way it's been turned on or off. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Thanks guys, bye.